Hello everyone. Welcome to Homeschooling Worksheets. Let's learn months of the year. Spelling learning. Let's start. Now you have to repeat the spellings after me. January, 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 January. February, 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 February. March, M-A-R-C-H, March, M-A-R-C-H, March. April, A-P-R-I-L, April, A-P-R-I-L, April. May, M-A-Y, May, M-A-Y, May. June, J-U-N-E, June, J-U-N-E, June. July, J-U-L-Y, July, J-U-L-Y, July. August, A-U-G-U-S-T, August, A-U-G-U-S-T, August. September, S-E-P-T-E-M-B-E-R, September, S-E-P-T-E-M-B-E-R, September. October, O-C-T-O-B-E-R, October, O-C-T-O-B-E-R, October. November, N-O-V-E-M-B-E-R, November, N-O-V-E-M-B-E-R, November. December, D-E-C-E-M B-E-R. December. D-E-C-E-M-B-E-R. December. Do practice this video couple of times. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.